Respected students, viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are moving gradually. So we are in part 3 of our first lesson. So please, before we continue, I will encourage us all. So please kindly help us to subscribe to this our channel, so you can equally share it with those that you need, with those that you know they are in need of this knowledge. Share it among friends, families, neighbors. Share it on various Islamic social media platforms, so that you will not be the only beneficiary of this program. So, and I pray that Allah bless each and every one of us as we spread and share this knowledge within ourselves. So, in the first lesson, part 1, we have looked at the first 7 Arabic alphabets. The second lesson, the second 7 Arabic alphabet, making it a total of 14 alphabets that we have known. So I hope you are following. Very, very important. By now, you should be able to have memorized those 14 alphabets, understand them, how it's being written, and know them even if you are being woke up from sleep. That can you write shin for me? So you quickly do that. Can you write raw? Can you write sword? And so on and so forth. Make sure you are following and you put your best. And I assure you that by the end of this our journey, you will thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You will be reciting the Quran perfectly. So this part 3 of our lesson. So we are going to be equally looking at the next 7 alphabets after the first 14 we have looked at. So but quickly, let's revise those 14 alphabets we looked at. Alif, they're saying it. As you are saying it, I'm going to be writing. What's the next alphabet? Good. Ba. With what? A single dot beneath. So the next one is what? Ta. Good. With 2 dots. The next one is what? Tha. Excellent. Tha. The next one is what? G. G. Good. The next one is what? Ha. I love that. The next one is what? Ha. For those that don't know how to write this one, it's not difficult. Ha. All these 3 shapes, the same way to write them. But for our children, you can just tell them to, once they can write a dash and letter C. So a dash and what? Letter C will be sufficient to write this alphabet. So this is Ha with a single dot above. So we equally learned what? Dal. The next one is what? Dal with what? A single dot above. The next one is what? Wow. The next one is what? Zain. The next one is what? Si. The next one is what? She. With 3, it has 3 dots. Then the last one among the first 14 alphabets we've learned is what? Sword. Is that understood? Okay, we are going to be moving to today's lesson. So as I have told you, we are going to look at the next 7 alphabets. So after sword, the next one is what? Dot. They are the same shape with sword. The only difference that board has a single dot above. Please say it. Board. Board. Like wala board. 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 This one we can't, it does not have equivalent. Don't just stop of equivalent. Otherwise people will start reciting wala da. You will be calling, fixing it up with da. So let's say bo. The next one is what? Paw. So these two, they are equally heavy letters. So if you notice, they fold the mouth and the sound remains in the mouth. So we say ball. This one, paw. Very close to ta, but the difference is that this is a light one, this one is an heavy letter. So paw. So the next one is what? Vaw. So the only difference between paw and vaw is what? A single dot at the top. Vaw. Okay? The next one is what? Ein. Is what? Ein. So it's like an A, but you have to, as if you are saying it as if your nose is blocked. So it's coming out from the nose, but is the letter of the throat. So ein. So the next one is what? Goi. So the difference between ein and going written, if you want to write them, so is that going has a single dot above. So say it goi. Real maghrub. That's that letter. The next one is fa. Fa has a single dot. Fa. That one is just like letter F. Is equivalent to F in the English alphabet. So the next one is what? Cough. With two dots. The only difference between fat and cough is that fat has a single dot at the top, while cough has double dots at the top. So you have to take note of that. Cough. So we are going to be reading it again. You watch my mouth, the articulation of my mouth. So ball, a ball, fat. The upper teeth and the lower lip. Fat. Cough. So let's sing it. The poem. to combine them. But let me pick it from the third one. Dog, do, ein, going, faf, cough. Say, dog, do, ein, going, faf, cough. Dot, to, vo, ein, going, faf, cough. Let's start from the beginning. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, dot, to, zo, ein, ghain, faf, qaf, dot, to, vo, 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 ein, ghain, faf, qaf, alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, dot, to, vo, ein, ghain, faf, qaf, alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, dot, to, vo, ein, ghain, faf, qaf, alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, dot, to, vo, ein, ghain, faf, qaf, 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 alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, dot, to, vo, ein, ghain, faf, qaf. هذا وصلى الله على نبي المصطفى وعلى آله وأصحابه فمن تبع بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. Please, respected students, ensure that you go through this first three lessons in our lesson 1. Ensure that you know them very well. You understand how to pronounce the letters, you know how to write the letter. You can identify each and every first 21 letters that we have treated. So I pray that Allah bless our knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.